Hi, this is a sucker item. If you do this trick in the beginning, children won't disturb you. I have black rabbit here and white rabbit here. See, this is two empty hats. I cover this white rabbit with white hat and this brown rabbit with black hat. Now the white rabbit comes from white hat to black hat and black rabbit goes to white hat. You can see how it goes. See? Here is white rabbit and here is black rabbit. I again cover this with this and this with this. Now, the deep one. Now, see, this is white rabbit. There's nothing inside this hat, and there's nothing inside this hat. Back side. Oh, my back side. Oh no. Oh, I have to turn like this. Then